Top 5 Next Level Nanotechnologies. Have you ever heard of nanotechnology and how it is used? No? First of all, nanotechnology sounds extremely like sci-fi, but it's used in many products we use every day. In this video, we'll present some nanotechnology-based items which are truly at the next level. Let's get started with astonishing technology. That's Ultra Ever Dry. It's a super hydrophobic and oleophobic coating that repels most liquids, both water and oil-based. It coats an object and creates a surface chemistry and texture with patterns of geometric shapes, having peaks or high points using patented omniphobic technology. Water, certain oils, wet concrete, and other liquids are repelled by these high points. When compared to earlier super hydrophobic technologies, Ultra Ever Dry has significantly enhanced adhesion and abrasion resistance, allowing it to be employed in applications that demand greater endurance. Moving ahead, forget about weaving and stitching. Now you can make clothes out of a can with spray-on fabric by Fabricant. A British fashion designer, Manel Torres, has developed the world's first spray-on clothing that can be worn, washed, and worn again. He collaborated with Imperial College London scientists to develop this couture-in-a-can technology, which, when applied directly spraying to the skin, forms a seamless fabric. The type of fibers added into the solution determines the material's properties, such as strength and texture. Natural fibers like wool, cotton, silk, or cellulose, as well as synthetic fibers like nylon, are all possibilities. The fabric is thin and slightly stretchy, and it can be applied in layers to make it thicker. Getting to the next amazing technology, Liquipel Liquid Glass, the ultimate screen protection. Tired of shattered screens, exorbitant insurance deductibles, and expensive repairs? With the Liquipel Liquid Glass Screen Protector, now you can protect both your gadget and your wallet. It protects against impact, surface bacteria, and fingerprints, making it the ultimate screen protection for your device. Now, how does it work? It bonds to the glass, creating a chemomechanical effect that increases the strength up to 9H hardness, making it 20 times more scratch resistant. Moreover, it features an oleophobic coating that makes fingerprints practically invisible when the phone screen is turned on. In addition, it comes with a "You break it, we fix it" product guarantee. It's time to discuss some home entertainment, the NanoCell TV by LG. It's a new world of true color with nano accuracy, where LG NanoCell technology brings you an immersive viewing experience with rich detail, clarity, and color no matter where you're sitting. With a filter layer that sits in the TV, absorbing specific wavelengths of light, the aim is to purify the color output in order to improve color depth. Let me explain it a bit. They use small pinpricks of blue, green, and red light at different intensities to paint their pictures. While absorbing light may sound like removal of color, the end result is an increase in color depth, as wavelengths that would otherwise dull or taint those red, blue, and green subpixels are eliminated. Let's check out the last amazing nanotechnology on today's list. Car paint protection at its finest with NanoCell ZR53, the nano-ceramic car coating. The ultimate nano-automobile paint protection solution against damaging effects such as acid rain, bird droppings, scratches, sunburn, and inaccurate cleaning that's applied in a simple one-step process to automotive paint, plastic trims, and bumpers, providing 3 years of durable nano-ceramic coating protection. The highly hydrophobic coating doesn't harden completely due to a complex 2-layer coating system. Once applied, giving it a soft layer at the bottom and a hard layer at the top, ensuring maximum resistance and elasticity, superior to other ceramic coatings for an easy clean. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. So, which of these next level nanotechnologies do you want to try? Do share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep watching more of such amazing and crazy stuff. Time to take your leave now. Have a nice day, friends. Bye.